Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker marry me chicken. This can be made gluten-free as well if that's a need. Very easy to make either way. So the first thing we're going to need are the chicken ingredients. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. So this will be for your chicken. Now for the sauce, you will need 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or gluten-free flour, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup heavy cream or half and half, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, along with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, half a cup of fresh grated Parmigiano, and then chopped parsley to garnish. If you want to serve this with pasta, you would also want cooked regular or gluten-free pasta as well. So the first thing we're going to do is use a large skillet or cast iron skillet and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season that chicken with half the garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and lemon pepper. And once that's all in the skillet, you can go ahead and season the other side of the chicken. And we're going to sear this on both sides for about 2 minutes just to get it browned. And then go ahead and place this into your slow cooker. So once we have our chicken browned and in the slow cooker, we'll use that same skillet on medium-high heat and add 4 tablespoons of butter. When it's melted, whisk in your 4 tablespoons of flour or gluten-free flour until you have a nice paste. Then add 2 cups of chicken broth and your 1 cup of cream. And go ahead and mix this well. We're just making the sauce. After you have that mixed, add in the Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and chili powder. Then go ahead and add in your sun-dried tomatoes and just continue to mix until it's combined. Once you have it all combined and on a nice boil or low boil, you're going to go ahead and carefully pour that over the chicken into the slow cooker. You're going to cook this on high, covered for 2.5 to 3 hours, or low for 5 to 6 hours. Your chicken will need to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit as an internal temperature. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and mix in your grated Parmigiano. So I have that all mixed in here, and just let it heat for a minute or two, and then you can serve that right over your cooked pasta, or you can serve this with vegetables, totally up to you. We like to serve it over gluten-free spaghetti. You can also just do it with asparagus or any type of vegetable or salad that you may want to use. So this is how you make slow cooker marry me chicken. Very simple to make with easy pantry style ingredients. It's delicious, feeds the family, and it's perfect for a quick meal during the weeknight. You can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in today.